The only thing better than a delicious meal made with locally sourced food is when someone else does the cooking. That's what the personal chefs at Salted Butter Farm do, and their customers absolutely rave about them.
I love having Salted Butter Farm's home-cooked food on hand for busy evenings. Delicious home-cooked food already prepped for you. So many good options each week. A few of my favorites are the Pesto chicken salad, Tuscan chicken, and the one-and-done brisket meals.
That's just one of many satisfied customers who enjoy the convenience of having professional chefs prepare their home-cooked meals using fresh, locally sourced ingredients. Salted Butter Farm posts a different menu every Thursday. Orders are individually prepared to meet your dietary needs, including allergen-friendly options, and they use recyclable or compostable containers. There is no charge for delivery, no minimum order, and no subscription. Every item comes with instructions on the lid. Salted Butter Farm delivers on Thursdays and Fridays to homes in Hampton and Newburgh, along with several businesses in the Greater Bangor area. Check their Facebook page for a list of locations where you can pick up your orders. To learn more about their delicious home-cooked meals, visit saltedbutterfarm.com. Chef John and Chef Jen can be reached at 207-852-2383 for fresh, locally sourced, wholesome feel-good food.